Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. The viewers have spoken and you chose to learn about Jimmy Dean sausage. So I'm going to be making an exciting recipe utilizing Jimmy Dean sausage. Do you remember those sausage balls that use Bisquick? Well, I'm going to make a different type of those balls that also has cream cheese and a can of cranberry sauce that I'm kind of excited about. And we'll learn a little bit about Jimmy Dean sausage too. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm bringing out the food processor. In it, you need one of those 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese, but I'm just using the cream cheese spread, the whipped kind. And I'm gonna need 4 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Now, Jimmy Dean, he was born in 1928 and grew up in Plainview, Texas. One thing he loved as a kid was making sausage with his grandfather. Let's combine that. I'm gonna be mixing in 1 pound of that Jimmy Dean hot sausage, a little bit at a time. So Jimmy Dean, he was at a diner when he was a little bit younger. He was eating some sausage and it had a big piece of gristle in it, and he thought, oh my goodness, I need to make a good quality sausage. So him and his brothers opened up a pig butchery business. You blend it about a minute. I'll also be adding and blending in some Italian parsley. So the Jimmy Dean Company came to be in 1969. I'm adding a can of the whole berry cranberry sauce. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and blend it together. Right to that food processor, I'll be mixing in by hand 1.5 cups of Bisquick. So the dough felt a little thin in texture, and I ended up adding a total of 3 cups of Bisquick, so I had a nice firmer dough. I'm putting golf ball sized portions of that dough on a baking sheet. Not only was Jimmy Dean known for his sausage, he was also a country singer known for his big hit, Big Bad John. His singing career ended up leading to his TV hosting career with the Jimmy Dean Show, which allowed new and upcoming country singers to become household names. These are going to get cooked at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. Now, you know the puppeteer Jim Henson. You know he wouldn't have been famous if it wasn't for Jimmy Dean. Jim Henson originally went on his show with his Ralph dog puppet, and then Jim Henson became famous. Jimmy Dean also did some acting in the Daniel Boone TV show, as well as appeared in the James Bond movie, Diamonds Are Forever. Jimmy Dean was known for all of his special television commercials advertising this great sausage. They sure are fun. You have to go check them out. Cranberry cream cheese sausage balls. It's a sausage ball, and I like it because it has that nice pop of cranberry in the bite. It's a fun thing to bring to a party. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. Thanks, Jimmy Dean. We love your sausage. Did you hear the person who created autocorrect has died? Restaurant in peace.